Hi everybody, it's Fiona. I'm back from my little break and I thought I'd do a quick unboxing because I ordered a couple of things. There's my QR code if you want to go straight to my website, my details. So welcome. And big news tomorrow, 1st of October, they've got a join offer I should say. So you've got two options there. You can join and pay $60 and get $235 worth of products, or you can join for the usual price of $169 and get $344 worth. Wow. So I just thought I'd talk about that a little bit. It is on my websites, I've put on my socials and stuff, so let me know if you want to know more about that. Happy to have people on my team. Let's get into the box. It's only a little box, but it's always fun opening a box. And I'll be back live again Wednesday night. Now, with that join offer, Stampin Up are doing a special session I'm doing tomorrow night at 6 o'clock as a live Zoom. So if anyone is really interested in finding more about it and you want to join me in that Zoom, you're welcome to join me. Just let me know. You need to just message me so that I can talk to you a little bit first and we'll organise that for you. So it's 6 o'clock Sydney time on Wednesday, the 1st of October. So I've got someone joining me already, but I'm more the merrier. And they're going to just have the, what do you call them? Mental blank. DDM. I just can't think of what the word is. The managers here. They're going to be doing the session for us and talking all about what it means to join and what the benefits are and all that sort of stuff. Just talk a bit about it. I got some new kits in my unboxing. There'll be more kits out tomorrow too, I believe. So this one is the Christmas one. Hang on, let me tip it over. Oh. Road to Christmas kit. Isn't that cute? Look, it's got a truck in it. And a ute and a dog. Trees. We saw lots of utes like this when we were over in Canada and America. So they're very popular over there. And they just look really gorgeous. So that's that kit. I can't remember what I bought. Another kit. Might be the same one, is it? Yeah, I've got two of those. So I'll have one of them for sale at the tram sheds when I'm there on the 12th of October. I like to sell kits as well as make them. I got some more assorted memories and more cards and envelopes. Now these are great. See the size there? They're great for little cards. If you don't want to make great big cards. I've got one open here still. Maybe. I've got one left. Well, I can't see it now because I'm looking for it. Here we go. See, this is one I had. Is that the same one? No, that might be out of a different packet actually. Oh, that's another size. So there is another set you can get as well with note cards this size, but these ones are a little bit smaller. So they're just really good for little thank you cards, any sort of notes. They fit the memories and more card packs, if you know what I'm talking about. Let me see if I've got one of them handy. No, I think I've put them over the other side of the room at the moment. So memories and more card packs have cards in them that will fit on the large card and the small card. So they're really good coordination products and quick and easy cards if you're interested in that. I got some more envelopes because I always need envelopes to go with my cards. I sell my cards and give away my cards, and I like to have beautiful envelopes. This is the Buy Your Side kit. I'm so glad they got that back in because someone wanted one the other day and I didn't have one for them because it wasn't available, but it is now, and it's got little dogs and cats in there and they're so cute. They talk about the best friend. Anyway, you can look that up online. Buy Your Side kit. I'm not going to open that one because that one's going to be for sale on my stall. And before I go, I'll just quickly show you, let's put this box back together. Saturday is World Card Making Day. Now I can't pop my phone up because I'm using my phone right now for this. World Card Making Day is Saturday, 2 o'clock on the website. It's live with Stampin Up. So if you want to join in, it's all free, but you do need to register so that you'll get the link and the Facebook group and all that sort of stuff to join in the fun. And if you want to order the kit, you may not get it now in time, but you'll still get one eventually. So this is the kit. It's the handmade and heartfelt kit, but you can join in and use any kit or make any cards or just craft along. that's fine. It's all part of the fun. You get to see some nice... They always show us some new things too, which I really like. So this one's got a stamp set with all these stamps in it. Thinking of you. What else have we got there? Thanks so much. I think it is. Can't read it through there. Happy birthday. Hello sunshine. To and from. And we've got a wishing you the best. So great little stamps. And you get all the pieces you need in the packet to make everything. And a little ink spot. We've got Secret C. And we've got a block. We've got some string, twine. And the box itself, it's quite sturdy. Look how sturdy that is. So we'll be making that up on the day. But it's nice and solid, and I thought that's a great little box either to have on my desk with things in it, so you put your cards in there to start with, but I might even use it on my table when I do my stalls. So I bought that other one where you can store your cards in as well, the boxes. I'm going to finish them off soon and have them on my table as displays. So these are all the bits and pieces. So that's Saturday's event, and that is all on the website, so you'll be able to see that if you look for it. And I think the 3rd of October, so Friday, is the last day you can register for that. So don't forget, I'll leave my little sign up here. Join offer for October. And yeah, let me know if you're interested. I'm happy to talk to you about it. It's all on my website too. The link will take you to my join page, and it's got all the information there as well. Hi Jiminy, welcome. Nice to see someone here. Thank you for joining me. I was only a quick one today. What time is it? So I don't know what time it is. No. I'll be back live Wednesday night though at my usual time at 8:30. Yeah, I'll catch you then. Ciao.